Welcome to the 7th tutorial on Christian beliefs. We will look at the characteristics of God, the problem of evil and suffering, and why that may lead some people not to believe in God. Can you remember 3 important characteristics of God that is related to this topic? Christians believe God is omnipotent, all-powerful, He is benevolent, all-good and loving, He is omniscient, all-seeing. They believe He knows everything that is happening, that He wants to help people, and that He has the power to do everything. Can you remember the 2 different types of suffering? Natural evil is suffering caused by nature that is beyond human control, like natural disasters. Moral evil means deliberately evil actions by human beings that cause suffering to others. The problem of evil and suffering is if God is omniscient, He must know there's suffering in the world. If He's benevolent, He wants to get rid of suffering. If He's omnipotent, He has the power to get rid of it. Therefore, both God and evil and suffering cannot exist. We know that evil and suffering exists, therefore God cannot. This can be explained by the inconsistent triad. If you combine any 2 points of the triangle, the third is disproved. We know evil exists, so either God is not omnipotent, or He is not benevolent, which means the Christian idea of God is wrong, or He doesn't exist at all. The problem of evil and suffering might also cause problems for Christians, and give them questions about their faith, especially if they are suffering, or someone they love is. If God exists but isn't all-powerful and all-loving, how can I worship Him? If God isn't all-powerful and all-loving, is that a God I want to believe in? If God is all-powerful and all-loving, how could He allow suffering? In the exam you might be asked to outline 3 features of the problem of evil and suffering, or explain 2 types of evil and suffering, or 2 reasons why evil and suffering might challenge Christian understanding of the nature of God. In summary, Christians believe God is omnipotent, omniscient and benevolent. There are 2 types of evil, natural and moral. Some people question whether the existence of evil and suffering proves God doesn't exist or isn't how Christians describe Him.